Are you tired of spending hours crafting course content only to see a mere 3% of your students complete the journey? There has to be a better way to deliver results to your students and unlock the potential for recurring income, right? Introducing PromptROI, the game changer for online course creators and their students. Step 1. Create a prompt that produces amazing, tailored content for your students. Our AI-driven technology ensures your students get exactly what they need. Step 2. Utilize PromptROI to seamlessly incorporate that prompt into your courses and workshops while safeguarding your intellectual property with prompt cloaking technology. Step 3. Share these prompts with your students and watch them achieve immediate results. Step 4. Take it a step further by creating a collection of prompts in your marketplace. Step 5. Sell access to these outputs again and again, or offer memberships with super privileges for your users. While your competition is struggling to sell their 10-hour courses that put all the responsibility on the shoulders of their students, your students will be using your innovative AI prompts inside PromptROI to get the exact results they want immediately. Join the future of online education with PromptROI. It's time to empower your students and your business. Ready to transform your online courses? Visit PromptROI and revolutionize your educational offerings today.